That time of the year, done with the garden. Need to clear my irrigation system of all its water so it doesn't freeze over the winter. Took off all my clamps here that had them folded over. Just stuck it back on there like that. Got one on this end also. Did the same thing there. And then over here on my little deck, took off my water timer and hooked my hose up to my distribution block right there. Make sure the valve's open. And then up here, this hose, which goes all the way down there, focus, all the way down there. That hose runs that way, all along the fence line, down over there, and comes up back there. And there's a lot of hose there, approximately 200 feet, maybe 250. Anyways, I made this adapter to hook up to my air compressor. And then I got my air hose out here, and it goes back over to here. And I made this up, which you don't have to do. You can hook it directly to your air compressor. This goes to my air compressor. But I added my storage tank on here to give me a longer lasting pressure to blow out the water line, because it does have a long ways to go. And this is a hodgepodge of fittings and everything to put together to do what I did here. You don't have to do that. You don't need it. I'm just doing it because I like overkill. So anyways, I'm going to take this part, hook this up to it, plug this in. It's got a little valve on here so I can turn off and on the air. So hang on a second. Okay, everything's hooked up. And here we go. I can hear it. Don't know if I can get down there fast enough. It's squirting water out. And at some point here, when the air catches up, yeah, isn't that cool? Yeah, I'm going to come forward here for see what happens when I plug up the end here. Blowing more out over there. So I'm just going to continue this for a little bit here. Should get 99.1% of the water out. Shouldn't have any freeze problems over the winter. So, in case you got a system like that, and you got an air compressor, you can do that too to blow out your lines. I got lines that go around my house also that water all my plants around the house, and I blow those out the same way. And I disconnected here. Shut the water valve off, but it's going to blow like oh. That's cool. Probably should have said this in the beginning of the video. Hooking up 125 psi air pressure to the hose, you don't want to close it off at any point and let the compressor keep going, because you will blow something up eventually. So always leave a line open to let the pressure out, and make sure you shut off the air compressor and disconnect the air hose before you close any hoses up, because it will blow something up. I did the same procedure on this guy here, and this one goes around my house, around to the front yard, around to the side yards. Did the same thing with that.